something that I really like about photo restoration is that in the process of zooming in so that you can restore the photo, you also end up seeing details that you otherwise may have missed. For example, in this photo, by zooming in on the bags that the boys have, you can see that they're actually laundry bags, which is pretty funny. I often get asked how I complete my photo restorations, and the simple answer is that in Photoshop I use a combination of the patch tool and the clone stamp tool. This restoration proved to be a little trickier than I had first thought. So upon looking at this closely, it looks like someone actually spilled something on the photo, which I didn't see at first, and it made the restoration a little tricky, and it didn't turn out perfectly, but I'm also pretty happy with the results that I got. So this is a photo that belonged to my great-grandmother, whose name was Marie, and although I don't know who the individuals in the photo are, we can kind of look and see the men are wearing these interesting hats, and to me they kind of look like either Homburg hats or possibly a gambler hat. And the boy in the middle is definitely wearing a newsboy style hat, and these are all from the 1920s, so that's my best guess as to when the photo was taken. Is the final result. Thank you for watching.